Let's get you the latest on the comedian actor Kapil Sharma, who has received death threats. They were threats that were received via email to the comedian, as well as family members and relatives, as well as neighbors were threatened in that email. Do remember that the comedian Kapil Sharma, as well as other actors, including Rajpal Yadav and choreographer Remo D'Souza, have reportedly received death threats via email. Radhika.
That's right. In fact, Amboli police in Mumbai have registered a case against unknown person under section 351(3) of BNS, and they've of course begun probe. So comedian Kapil Sharma receiving death threats via emails from Pakistan. Let's go straight across to Paris. Paris, all right, before we go to Paris, let's get you more details on this. In fact, comedian Kapil Sharma, Sugandha Mishra, actor Rajpal Yadav and choreographer Remo D'Souza have allegedly received death threats via emails from Pakistan. In fact, the celebrities receiving email from a person named Vishnu. This is what we are hearing from sources from the Mumbai police, who not only threatened them but also claim that this person has been monitoring his actions. So Kapil Sharma there getting death threat from Pakistan via email is the latest information we are getting. In fact, he's not the only one, but there are more celebrities who've received similar threats in the recent past, Divya.
Radhika, that's right. Of course, three prominent celebrities, these personalities belonging to Bollywood and the film industry. We're talking about, a very known choreographer, very popular comedian Kapil Sharma, many of the top celebrities, Bollywood celebrities who are, who feature on his show that, airs on Netflix, and Sugandha Mishra as well. These are the three people who have received death threats via email. And this really comes on the heels of that attack that took place, of course, in a very separate incident altogether on actor Saif Ali Khan. But, a lot is really happening when it comes to these Bollywood celebrities. And why are the Bollywood celebrities really being targeted is a big question. And, their movements were being tracked is what, the email has gone on to state. And it's not just them, Radhika, that have been, threatened in that email. As far as Kapil Sharma is concerned, his relatives, his family members, all have been threatened in that email that was received by the comedian. And of course, a case has also been registered. From what we are hearing is that the police have launched an investigation. And from what we are hearing is that the threatening emails originated from Pakistan.
And this is, in connection to a slew of threats. Of course, we've been reporting on slew of threats that celebrities have been receiving in Mumbai. We've reported extensively on threats received by Salman Khan, the firing incident that took place outside his residence, all in connection to Lawrence Bishnu. Of course, that's a separate case altogether, but celebrities certainly under the radar. Let's go straight across to Paris on this. Paris, comedian Kapil Sharma receiving threat emails. A case has been registered. Take us through the details.
Rightly said, a case has been registered in Amboli police station regarding this entire threat mail which he has received. Only not Kapil Sharma has received, other three comedians and actor, choreographer has received this type of threat in the name of Bishnu. Bishnu has no relationship with Bishnoi gang or anything till the primary investigation has shown. The name which has returned in the mail is Bishnu. So we are clarifying that in this entire mail there are certain things which has been returned by this mailer, and also had asked all this four to reply within 8 hours, otherwise the consequences will be faced by them. In this entire matter, first Rajpal Yadav went to the police, and over there he has registered the FIR, and now the Kapil Sharma has registered the FIR in this entire matter. Police is investigating thoroughly in the matter, and they are trying to investigate and dig more into this. Was this some fun thing, or it is a serious threat? Because we had seen in the recent past that there are many threats which was given to actors and many other people was just for fun or some different activities. There was no such serious threat, but Mumbai police is taking this very seriously, and they had started the investigation, and they are investigating into this matter. In this entire matter, preliminary, it has came into light that the mail which has been received by them has came from Pakistan.
Right, originating from Pakistan is the email that's been received by three people from the film industry. Take us to the contents of that email. They haven't really asked for anything but for them to comply within a time frame of 8 hours, to basically respond to them in 8 hours before really making any sort of demand.
Rightly said, there is no demand made in this entire mail, but it has been written in the mail that this is a very serious situation. This is not some fun game. It is a serious situation, and you have to answer and reply this mail within 8 hours. Otherwise, you have to face the consequences. So this is the detail of this mail which has been sent to all four of these actors. So in this entire matter, Mumbai Police is investigating thoroughly. They are trying to find the exact thing what has happened and from where this mail has originated. In the preliminary information and preliminary investigation, Mumbai Police has found that this mail has originated from Pakistan, but still there can be many things in this entire matter, so they are investigating thoroughly in this matter.